Hello guys. Today I will show you a new product. This is the second generation tuya Wi-Fi smart glass door opener. So what's the difference? It is powered up by AC power, and it can support RF controller remote control, and it has the remind function. If you forgot to close your door, it will remind you with a notification. So now let's pair it with the tuya Smart Life app. Now this is the door sensor with 5 meters long wires. Okay, this is the magnet. Insert the door sensor. Okay, and these two wires is connected to your garage door opener motor, right? Okay. Okay, next one. Here we get a 2-wire plug. Here is the connector, AC connector. Okay, loosen the screw. Okay, now insert the live wire and natural wire. Okay, power it up. And it is the pairing mode. You will enter the pairing mode automatically when you first to edit. Open Smart Life app. Select the Wi-Fi socket. Add successfully done. Now the door is opened. Okay. It is closed. Okay. Set. This is the remind function. Set the overtime reminder. 10 minutes. Okay. Here's the voice control. Voice control password for your Alexa or Google Home. You can set the code 445566. Save. Okay. Time schedule. Okay. The code. You can check the code. Remote control. Here we can add the 433 RF remote controllers. It supports 8 controllers. First one, add. Now we can press the remote controller. Then, okay. Here you can share devices. Now we click just open. Now the door is open. Now we tap to close. Normally it would take 10 or 20 seconds to close the door fully. The door is running and close. Okay. Open. This is the reminder switch. Now it is enabled. 10 minutes later, it will push notification to your app, to your phone. If you don't want to receive it and you want to remain the door open, you can disable it. Now you will not receive the notification. And after you close the door, the reminder is enabled automatically. Okay, for your next time, you don't need to enable it. So that's that. 1 minute. 1 minute, and you will receive the notification. Okay, let's wait and see. Yes, door is open, was forgotten to close. Okay, so that's it. Hope you will like it.